We need a screwdriver for where? We need it for right there? Or right there? See? You want to see which one will fit? I think
That one.
this one? Let's see. No, but let's check this one. I think it's that one. Maybe it's one bigger.
Let me try.
Yeah, try that one.
Okay.
But really what we need to tighten is, I'll show you. This one right here. See this one? That's the one we need tightened. Does it fit?
No. Let me try. Help.
Okay. So we go like this. And you keep spinning it. Yeah, a little bit more with my fingers. And then I use this. It's called an Allen wrench.
Got it. You're losing it now.
No, I'm tightening it.
Okay. Sorry.
We're almost ready.